Again you are back empty-handed. I told you na, get vegetables while coming. Why you haven't brought?
Oh, I had so much work at the office that I don't remember a thing. I forgot.
Hey, what do you remember? You're not worth of anything. My life is spoiled getting married to you.
And I told you, I don't remember. I forgot.
Why don't you forget us? Nothing can happen with this person.
Dad, mom is right. You don't remember anything. Whenever mom asks you to get something, you say that you forgot. Eh? What did I forget? If I forget one or two things in a month, that means I forgot everything. I don't remember anything. I don't remember what I do. Dad, the problem is that you don't do anything. If you had done something, there wouldn't be fight in the house every day.
Hey yaar, it's daily at my home. I always pray to God that whoever is my future partner, na, he shouldn't be like my father. I need an impressive partner who will do everything for me. Yes.
Mom? Jyoti?
Yes, son. What happened, brother?
Dad left this note.
Letter? What he had written?
I was quiet for the sake of the house, but now I'm going for my own good and for the peace of my mind. I am not what you want me to be. I don't do any of your work, so it's better for me to leave from here. And don't even try to find me. Mom, what kind of behavior is this? Is he still a child or what?
Son, that's why I was upset. Fine, he had gone, na, so let him go. You will see. In some days, his mind will be on place. Jyoti, you go. Prepare breakfast for everyone. Okay.
Madam, you give me the money. This time the salary is getting delayed already.
Yes, I will give you. His father had gone out of station. Once he will be back, I'll give you the money.
Madam, I have been hearing this for the past 10 days. I don't know when I'll get my money.
Hey, are we running somewhere? We will give your money. Go and do some work.
Okay. Mom, electricity is there in the whole society. Only our house has lost power. I checked it and there's no recharge in it. Give me the money, I'll recharge it.
I know that. From where will I get the money? I don't have money. The servants' money, laundry money, groceries bill. From where will I give them? I don't understand.
You don't have money?
Mom, I'm going to college. Give me the money. Money, money, money. From where will I get the money? I don't have money.
Mom, I have realized one thing today. That when Dad was around, we never felt the lack of anything. He used to pay everyone from the servant to the ration to the iron guy, everyone. He used to do everything.
Yes, son. In 1 month we came to know. We used to think that he is not doing anything. But he was the one who was doing everything. He was running the household. Everything was happening because of him.
Mom, to be honest, you never cared for Dad. And seeing you like this since childhood, even we didn't care for him.
Yes, mom. How you used to talk to him. You used to taunt him so many things. We also used to think that father is doing nothing. He doesn't do anything. But if we will look closely, he was fulfilling all his responsibilities. And after coming back to home, how much he was helping you. I realized my mistake, daughter. I spent my whole life. I didn't give him that respect, what he deserved. And it's not your father's story. It's the story of every man in every home. That they doesn't get respect in their home. And their hard work is not valued. Someone said na, that when a person leaves, then we value that person.